Tonight's Division III high school football playoff games went on as scheduled in Rhode Island after a judge tossed out a lawsuit filed by the Bristol-Warren School District. Kayla Fish joins us with how Mount Hope's coach and parents are reacting tonight. Kayla?
Well, the judge didn't rule in Mount Hope's favor, but those we spoke with say they're not disappointed because they made their case and stood up for their team and shed light on what they say is a flawed system.
It's really brought us together, standing up for our kids.
Mark Reinhardt's son plays football for the Mount Hope Huskies. A former coach himself, he says these players have faced plenty of adversity.
Just really what's been most impressive is to see them really bond and come together the way that they have, and that's resulted in victories.
The team ended the regular season 6-2, earning them a 5 seed in the playoffs. But coaches took issue with that, saying the Rhode Island Interscholastic League miscalculated their standing under the new ratings percentage index, or RPI system.
The goal really was to shine a spotlight on this issue and to make sure no other teams have to face this situation in the future.
The Bristol-Warren Regional School District filed a lawsuit against the league asking for playoff games to be postponed until the seating issue could be resolved.
I've heard the testimony.
After arguments from both the school and league Friday, a Superior Court judge dismissed the motion. The judge said while it appears the rollout of the new rating system was a quote failure, postponing the playoffs would have a negative ripple effect across the division.
Stopping all games and forcing high school football players across the state to push their playoffs and the championship to an unknown date is certainly more burdensome than having the games continue with Mount Hope starting at the 5th seed.
The Huskies coach says he was satisfied with the ruling.
Our case was validated by the judge, and he said that he thought that there was something that happened that shouldn't have happened, and we then got to come here and try to prove everybody wrong. And we fought for the kids. I promised them I'd fight for them, but the fact that all 8 teams got to go out and play football tonight, it's got to be solved out here anyway.
Now, it wasn't the outcome this team was hoping for on the field, with Mount Hope falling to Rogers. We'll have highlights later on in Friday Night Blitz, but for now in Newport, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.